Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft an ender pearl in Minecraft. For that we just need to take some chorus fruits and an egg. Just a normal usual egg that your chickens produce. After that we go to crafting table and we put chorus fruits like that and an egg in the middle. And as you can see, I've just crafted an ender pearl. And you may ask, guys, how did I actually do that? Because you cannot craft an ender pearl in vanilla Minecraft. And yes, of course you cannot, but the thing is, I'm using a data pack for that. You can find this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link to this post. You just click download data pack and you save this data pack on your PC. After that, you just install it to your Minecraft world, guys. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.